everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple, quick way to make hot water cornbread. So if you want to cook with me, stay tuned. To my yellow cornmeal, I'm adding the ingredients. Here I'm adding the salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but you feel free to use any type of salt that you like. I'm adding the pepper and the baking powder and the flour and also the water. In the ingredients, I have 2 cups of hot boiling water, but depending on how much cornbread you're making, that's going to vary. And I don't just pour all of the water inside of the bowl. I just use a small amount at a time until I get to the consistency that I like. Okay, now it's time to prepare your bread to be fried. I have some cold water on the side of me. I know it's probably hard for you to see, but you want to get you some cold water and dip both hands in the cold water as you're molding your bread. And you can do this various of ways. You can make them in circles or squares or however you want. The choice is up to you. After you do this, then you're gonna fry your bread in your cooking oil. As always, I would like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.